Sayon kaayo memorizon ang to greatest commandment. Apan challenging kaayo ang pagpuyo ni ining maong mga commandments. Love God above all and love your brothers and sisters as you love yourself. These commandments are not meant for memorization only. Maayo nga ma-memorize nato kining mga sugua, apan ang labing importante sa usa ka sugo dili ang pagmemorya kundi ang paglakaw subay sa maong kasuguan. It's easy to fall in love. Dali ra kaayo ta ma-in love. Especially kung tambong tag seminar, unya high in the spirit. Pagkatapos natandog imong kasing-kasing, natandog imong nabukas imong huna-huna, you fall in love with God. Mao na nga bago ganitang tambong og seminar, active ka ita, prayer meeting dito, prayer meeting dire. But after few months or after a few years, nagkaluya. Ngano di ay when the actions of God is not according to our mindset, ma-discourage ta, ma-hurt ta, o magluod tas Ginoo. When God acts in a different way, different from what we expect from Him, then we fall short in loving God. Wala usahay, luya na ta. Pero ing anak bay gipasabot sa balaod sa Ginoo nga love God above all, with all your heart, with all your strength, with all your mind, with all your soul. Ang gipasabot ug ang gi-challenge na nato karon nga to keep loving Him even if His ways we cannot understand, to keep loving Him and obeying Him even if sometimes it hurts. God knows the best for us. Our understanding is very limited and our plan is only for us, and our understanding even for our personal plan is limited. God sees everything. So He demanded, love God above all. God first, dili ang imong plano first. So ang challenge is to keep loving God bisan ang iyang papaagi di nato masabtan diha dayon. Padayon sa pag-obey sa Ginoo bisan kun usay malibog tago sa iyang plano. Mao na nga ang to love God is to continue embracing Him, loving, obeying Him, believing in Him, that He as our Father will never lead us into damnations, will never lead us into kanang makadaot sa ato ba. God knows everything. Our plans, usahay kita ra madaot sa atong kaugalingong plano. Kanang atong kaugalingong plano without discerning, is this according to the will of God, kita ray maalaot, kita ray mahimong mahagbong sa atong kaugalingong plano. Ikaduha, love your neighbor as you love yourself. It's easy to fall in love, but it is difficult to stay in love. Easy to fall in love when our neighbor, define first who is our neighbor. Our neighbor is anyone other than yourself. So, imong papa, imong mama, igsuon, that is counted as neighbor, silingan, isig kataw. So, it is easy to love them if they are good to you. If you are in authority, it is easy to love them if they follow what you say. It's easy to love them if they satisfy what you want. Kana siya. So, sayon ra kaayo mahigugma, no? Pero ang challenge, ingon si Lord, love your neighbor as you love yourself. Even if your neighbor, even if others fall short sa imong expectation, challenge is to continue loving that person. Mao na nga ang tinuod nga nahigugma sa isig ka tawo mopadayon sa pagpangga bisan og kanang tawhana ma-fall short sa iyang expectation, bisan kanang tawhana masayop ug ang tinuod nga mopangga humahal sa isig ka tawo maningkamot nga itulid ang iyang isig ka tawo dili biyaan. Mao na tan-aw nato nga it's easy to fall in love, but it is so difficult to remain in love with that person. Kaya kung kanang maong tao, ma-hurt ka sa iyang gisulti, you stop, diba? You stop, and then you build the wall. Na di na ka managad, di na ka mansin niya, di na ka manghatag niya, di na ka mutabang niya. Ana, we build the wall. Ang challenge sa Ginoo nato when He says na love your neighbor as you love yourself is to continue loving that person even if many times he falls short sa imong expectation. So mao na nga to remain in love is the most difficult and the most challenging part of the commandment. Kaya ang ato muuplok man padayon kung ang kaning tawhana ikasukan ka, uplok. Kung kanang tawhana gibalibaran ka, uplok dayon ka, na may kabaos lang ko. Mangita ka kay gayunan nga makabaos ka. So mao ni tan-aw na to nga wa pa gyud ta kasunod anino kay ang ato we love that ato siyang kananing hinumduman kung good siya sa ato. But the Lord is challenging us to love that person, to love your neighbor even if they are not good to you. So, mao ni siya ang hagit sa ato nga kinabuhi. Usa maningkamot kita to ask God the grace to sustain us in loving one another, even if sometimes to love them is hurting us. Muna ang gugma kuno, dili tinuod nga gugma until it hurts. Love continually until it hurts. And when it hurts, do not stop loving. Continue to love, because when we love each other, we reflect our being the image and likeness of God. God continue loving us even if or sometimes we are not good to Him. Even if many times we committed sins, God continues loving us. Panindog tang tanan